Welcome back to our channel Motivational Routine. Today we're going to explore the role of gratitude in love, success, and happiness. Gratitude is a powerful and positive emotion that can have a profound impact on our lives. When we practice gratitude, we shift our focus from what we don't have to what we do have, fostering feelings of contentment and appreciation. Studies have shown that individuals who regularly express gratitude have stronger relationships and experience greater levels of happiness. Gratitude also plays a pivotal role in achieving success, as it allows us to recognize and acknowledge the efforts and support of others. By expressing gratitude to those who have contributed to our success, we not only strengthen our relationships but also create a positive and collaborative environment. Furthermore, gratitude helps us to cultivate a mindset of abundance, rather than scarcity, which opens doors to new opportunities and attracts success. In love, gratitude strengthens the bond between partners by fostering feelings of connection, empathy, and appreciation. By expressing gratitude for the little things, we can create a positive and loving atmosphere in our relationships. Gratitude also allows us to focus on the positive aspects of our partner and strengthens our ability to communicate effectively. In order to live a more fulfilling life, it is important to make gratitude a daily practice. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on what we are grateful for can have a significant and lasting impact. Gratitude can be expressed through simple acts of kindness, such as writing a thank you note or expressing appreciation verbally. It is easy to overlook the importance of gratitude in our fast-paced and busy lives, but by making it a priority, we can experience a profound shift in our overall well-being. So, I encourage you to take a moment each day to reflect on what you are grateful for and express your gratitude to those around you. Make gratitude a habit, and watch as love, success, and happiness enter your life in abundance. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.